Mushroom and taupe neutrals for slow stitching and junk journal making. 5 pieces total, each cut 8 by 10 inches in rich, distinct textures, easy to hand sew. This bundle includes a mushroom colored boucle. You can see very textured fabric there. It's looped. This is the back, lighter weight. This is a mohair blend velvet. It's very plush. As you can see, I put my fingers through it. You can see how plush that is. This is the real thing here. That's the back. Be sure to stay till the end, and I will be demonstrating how easy it is to use an embroidery hand needle on it, okay, for our slow stitchers. This is a very nice piece. This is a cotton basket weave. It's a larger basket weave. See the texture there? That's the back. I would say a medium weight fabric. This is a silk in the mushroom color. There's a little bit of sheen to it. It's a Dupont silk with a black cross weave. See the texture of it? A little bit subtle nubbiness in it, that texture. Okay, that's the weight. And this is a Chanel fabric in a ribbed pattern. It's a close-up. Kind of a knitted back. There's no coating on the back. Okay, and let's do a needle test on this velvet. This is a size 8 embroidery needle, and I'm using 3 strands of embroidery floss. Okay, so okay, so it goes through. So first, this is what it looks like in that bag. All right. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.